E-Sampark. E-Sampark is a mechanism to connect the government directly with citizens across India by running mailer, outbound dialing, and SMS campaigns. E-Sampark portal was launched in May 2016 by Government of India. It works as a platform to pass on messages to the people and also receive messages from the public. The portal is aimed to improve government communication with citizens. Till date, 404 campaigns have been already conducted and more than 230 crore emails have been sent through eSampark. The concept of eSampark has been introduced to establish proactive communication by digitization of campaigns. The multifaceted platform facilitates not only seamless communication between the government and citizens, but also maintains a database of contacts of all nodal officers, representatives, and citizens. In addition, users can also view the previous campaigns conducted. eSampark signifies the essence of Digital India. It enables the government to communicate with the citizens about several programs and initiatives. Recent campaigns include transforming India through risk management and encouraging citizens to avoid petrol and diesel vehicles for a day in a week. It also provides the views of Prime Minister shared by him in the popular program Man Ki Baat on radio. Now let us consider the features of eSampark. The features of eSampark are as follows. Number one, provision for sending informational and public services messages in the form of mailers, SMS, and outbound dialing to citizens, elected representatives, and government employees through customized user list. Similarly, SMS can also be sent to a customized user base using the application. Number three, extensive database of elected representatives and government officials that is updated periodically. Number four, provision for updating the database either individually or through bulk upload. Number five, provision of dashboard showing the nodal officers, the campaign analytics, that is number of mailers and SMS sent, percentage of mailers or SMS read, percentage of forwards, URL clicks, etc. Provision for individual users to subscribe to eSampark database. By subscribing to the list, a user gives his or her consent to receive mailers and SMS from the government. There is also provision for users to unsubscribe from the list. One can ensure following benefits which are due to the eSampark. Number one, extensive structured database of government officials, both central and state government, for sending official information. Number two, information alerts about the existing policies or proposed policies, decision of the government, and new schemes to be launched can be shared with customized user base. This will improve the efficiency of communication. Finally, increased awareness among the citizens by sharing urgent alerts or national or public interest information and government updates so he or she can take benefit of schemes and programs timely. So this will help active participation of citizens in the governance and also on day-to-day activities of the government.